Alright, so we're back, everyone. I found some gloves. Don't laugh, okay? Found the wife's gloves for washing dishes. So we're gonna attack this ring thing. So I got just like a putty knife, an older one, and some paper towels. So I'm not really sure how to go about this, so I'm just gonna trying to remember how exactly this stuff comes off of here. Is it just you just kind of scrape it off? I guess. I'm asking you. I don't know. So flange here, just kind of scraping it off. There's a lifting. So just have a trash can ready. Drop it in the trash can. I'm trying to figure out what this crud is here. It looks like rust. I thought I bought a stainless steel. Thought I did. Bought a stainless steel flange ring or whatever it is, or reinforcement ring. I thought I did. You never know though. There's different qualities of stainless steel, I guess, also, so maybe that's something to keep in mind. But I did this a while ago. I'm trying to remember how I did all this, scraped it off and stuff, and cleaned it up. I guess I'm just going to go around the rubber flange here at the top and scrape off as much of this as I can to just reveal reveal what we got going on down there. Okay. Scraping this. Okay. Chickens. I hear chickens. Alright, so there's another flange, looks like here. Part thing. Just want to scrape the most of this away so I can just see what I got going down here. Okay. It's odd, that part looks, well, that part would be under the seal though, so of course that's going to look good under the wax seal. Okay. Looking like this part can come out of here now. So this is the part that seated down in there. And I think this was a aftermarket part I had bought. So, I'm gonna get the cup out of there. Be sure I wash that before I use it. Probably a good idea. Take some paper towels. I'm gonna kind of wipe down in here. Just kind of clean this out. And then I think this part stays. Remember, maybe not. So just cleaning all this away, as much as I can here. I think these screws. Okay. All right, so I think these screws can just kind of work themselves out. I think. And then come out of the hole there. Take the piece off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I bought that, and that's it. Pretty sure it was supposed to be stainless steel. As you can see, there's some rust action going on there, which I'm kind of disappointed in. And actually, on these stainless steel bolts, it looks like it's actually rusting there as well. I don't know if that's just from the bracket or from the bolt itself, but yeah, a little bit disappointed there. Take this one off as well. This other one looks like, so maybe it's just maybe it's the bracket that is causing the rust. I don't know. So we'll see when we take all this off. I guess we're just gonna see what we're looking at after I get all this stuff up. So pretty good. I'm hoping the floor isn't damaged under here. That makes it a lot less fun. So I tried to do things right the first time, but I put stainless steel and stuff down. But you can tell there's some pretty decent rust going on here. So does this flange come up here as well? I think it might. I'm trying to see. So this is bolted, this ring is bolted down by these screws here. And once again, I use stainless steel. They're decking screws, but I figured, hey, that's probably gonna work okay, right? So we'll find out just how good it worked or not. I think it was a 2-part stainless steel bracket that went around this with the bolt that came. Then I put the stainless steel bolts in there. And I'm thinking this part doesn't come up here. I don't think. Oh yeah, this part. Instead of using a cup, it's a 3-inch. It's for a 3-inch pipe. You stick it in there, and then you turn the screw, and it squeezes this together and makes this bulge out. So just in case there's any gas coming out of there, you just put it in the pipe, screw it down, and it prevents any smell or anything from coming up, just in case. So we got it kind of cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screws here. You don't need to see me do that. I'm gonna see how it's looking under there. So I'm gonna pull the screws up, 3/4, pull the flange up, see what we got going on here. So it may take me a minute to get the screws up. So I will just let you see the finished result once we get that stuff up there. So we'll be back.